Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Apple Watch to at least 50% and make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and choose Pair New Watch. Hold the watch near the phone so the camera alignment works, or tap Manual Pair to enter the code. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID when prompted. This enables iCloud Sync, Find My, and important services that the watch relies on. Now you configure features to match how you use the watch. First, pick a watch face and add complications for weather, calendar, or heart rate so info is one tap away. Then set notification preferences and arrange apps via the Watch app on your iPhone. This reduces interruptions and speeds access. Also enable health permissions, set a passcode for security, and add cards to Apple Pay if you want contactless payments. Install essential apps and let them sync so data flows both ways. Finally, use the digital crown for scrolling and the side button for access to dock and emergency SOS. Speak to Siri for hands-free commands. Start workouts from the Workout app and enable automatic syncing so activity and health data upload to your iPhone. Make sure Watch OS and iOS stay updated to avoid compatibility problems. If something goes wrong, restart both devices. If that fails, unpair and repair to force a clean sync. This resolves most issues before you contact Apple for deeper support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.